As pioneers in Europe, we are the first to provide services in target group-specific yacht staging. It all begins with cleanliness and tidiness as a preparation for the best possible sail. But yacht staging goes far beyond. We draw attention to the fullest possible potential of your ship and generate nothing less but wow effects by conceptual redesign, for example, with the use of exclusively composed accessories and textiles. Yacht staging not only guarantees the ship to be sold faster, but in addition for a better price. In order to your ship not going down in the vast number of competitive ads on the internet, we provide photographs that not only set new standards concerning their quality, they show emotions and concentrate on the fun factor a potential buyer will have when deciding for your yacht. We stage your successful sail.